Once you've clicked on that link in your email address to confirm your account, you will be taken to a page that looks exactly like this. And all you have to do on this page is just go ahead and fill out your additional information as far as your address, your city, and so forth, your phone number, etc. And once you are done, you want to click on this button where it says update your profile, and you will therefore have access to the platform. Now, the very next thing that you need to do once you have access to the platform is you want to scroll all the way up to the top before you purchase traffic. The very next thing that you want to do, you want to scroll again all the way to the top, and you want to click right over here where it says the money plugin. Now, the reason why I love this system and the reason why I love the money plugin is because you watching this video, you can actually sign up to this program for free. However, if you would like to keep your leads and make more money with this system, I highly recommend you get the money plugin. Now, what is the money plugin? Now, the money plugin simply enables you to keep your leads. So with this system as a free member, every other member that joins through your link, your sponsor gets to keep that lead. With the money plugin, you get to keep all of your leads, which will have you make more money with the system. It's just that simple. It makes a lot of sense. And another reason why I love this is because most systems, most platforms, once you join, I mean, there are so many upsells. Guys, this is the only upsell. And guess what? It makes sense. If you're a marketer and you want to make some more money, it would make sense for you to pay only just a one-time fee, guys, of $19.97. That's it, guys. All right. So before you purchase traffic, which I'm actually going to share with you in the next upcoming video, you need to have access to the money plugin. It is vital that you watching this video make that one-time purchase of only $20. All right. So once you do so, I will see you in the next video where I actually show you how to get traffic to your link. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and purchase this right now with you so you can see what your back office should look like. So I'm going to pause the video for now, guys. I'm going to make a purchase and I will be right back. All right, guys. So as you can see, I just went ahead and make the payment. As you can see up top, it says payment done, your transaction ID. And I'm going to click right over here on OK, and let's see what happens. Well, I guess nothing happened. But guys, this is what you need to do once you have access to this platform. All right, guys. So this is one of the first things that I highly recommend you do once you have access to the Guarantee Downline Club. All right. Now, if you take a look right over here underneath my name, right over here, you see it says MPI. So that means that the money plugin. And if I go back to the money plugin page right over here, scroll down, you're going to see that that button is now gone. All right. So again, in the next upcoming video, this is where I'm actually going to show you how to generate traffic to your link,